Well, I've just received information very late now that police have surrounded the home of former Minister for Internal Security, Mr. Matiangi. And I was shocked to hear that this is happening at this hour. They say that the more things change, the more they remain the same. We are now witnessing what this country has been through before. The times of late night arrests of people without any formal charges. This is what actually appears to be coming back to our country. Because if Mr. Matiangi had committed a crime, he is a Kenyan and he lives in Kenya. There is time to go and actually serve him with a notice to appear before a police station. There's no reason why police should be coming to somebody's private residence at this time of the day. This means that police themselves are actually guilty of committing a crime. If Matiangi has committed a crime that warrants his arrest, actually that should be made public and known to him. And then he can even go and present himself to the police officer and for interrogation and record a statement. But this idea of arresting senior citizens at this hour of the night is something that is completely repugnant to civilization. But I have said, and I will repeat it in a day, we are dealing with an illegal regime, a regime that usurps power against the will of the people of Kenya, imposed on the people of Kenya by one rogue Mr. Wafula Chebukati. And that's why we are seeing what's happening here today. The people of Kenya must resist imposition of a legal regime on them, which now want to use the power of the police to terrorize this country. It is completely unacceptable. It will not be accepted, and we will not allow it to happen, not only to Mr. Matiangi, but to anybody else. So we are here. We will stand with Mr. Matiangi